So Motorola has finally unveiled the Edge 70 Max. The device would be available in 3 color options, including Pantone Dark Shadow, Pantone Ice Melt, and Pantone Aqua Grey. With sales expected to commence on July 20th, the phone will be available in 2 memory configurations, including the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs variant, which is expected to cost about 55,000 Indian rupees, which converts roughly to $570. And there's also the 12GB RAM and 256 gigs model that costs about 60,000 rupees or $625. In terms of specs, well, the specs that I've been sharing with you guys the past few days are quite accurate. The Moto Edge 70 Max is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB UFS 4.1 storage. The phone also features a built-in cooling system, which is nice. The display is equally impressive, featuring a 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, and a staggering peak brightness of about 7,000 nits. Battery life is one of the device's main selling points. The device features a massive 7100 mAh silicon carbon battery, and charging is handled by 90 watts turbo power wire charging, and the device also features 25 watts magnetic wireless charging system. It's the first Android phone to have this feature, in case you're not aware. For cameras, as I said earlier, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP Sony LYTIA 710 main sensor with OIS and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens that doubles as a macro shooter. And the device has a 32MP front facing camera capable of native 4K video recording. Other features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, stereo speakers, and that's about it. So that's it for the Motorola Edge 70 Max. As you can see, the specs that I've been sharing with you guys the past few days are accurate, they're very correct. The device, as we know, supports 25 watts magnetic wireless charging. That is confirmed. It packs a 7100 mAh battery. That's also confirmed. And of course, the other specs are extremely accurate as well. So I give credit to the legit sources like GSM Arena, Digital Charge Station, and the others that have been sharing the leaks of the Motorola Edge 70 Max. And as you can see, the leaks turn out to be true. And as I said earlier, the starting price is about $500 plus for the base variant. So if you're interested in the device, budget's about $560 or so for the base variant. And if you want the higher model, then you'll be spending up to $600 for that. Anyway, that's it for the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.